Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our June 2018 giveaway. Who is excited? I cannot wait. This might be the best. Well, the bracelet is my favorite. By far, hands down, it's a stunner. For those of you who don't know, I make a crochet giveaway every month, although this summer I'm going to do 2 months together. July and August will be one giveaway. However, I pick everything based around a bracelet, which is made here in Kenya, in Nairobi, by Kazuri Beads, which is a company, wonderful company, that employs single mothers to make pottery beads, or paint them or assemble them depending on your skill and how long you worked at the company. So each woman has a tiny little piece of has clay, and it's all weighed out, so they're exactly the same, and that woman will make one type of bead for at least the day, if not indefinitely, whatever they're really, really good at. Then other ladies with different skill sets will just paint beads, and other ladies will assemble them into jewelry. So, and they have a lot of women that work there, at least a couple hundred. Like, it's a big thing. Yes, you can buy them in the UK online, and you can look at them in the States. It's kazuri.com, but it's not the same as being here. If you want to buy in person, are you ready to see it? Then you have to come to Kenya. We're having a Crochet Vacay 2019, which is in February. Link in the description box below, but we will also be doing a tour of the Kazuri bead factory, so you can see how they're made and shop at the factory. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I really want it. So it's like slatey blues and taupies. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Doesn't match my outfit today, but look how pretty that is. So nice. So that is what started the June giveaway. I love it. So bracelet with yarn. So I got 2 blues. If you can see the 2 blues in there. And 2 taupies, or coffee colors. Yeah. And, oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I need a little bit bigger hands. There we go. And then 2 textured sandy kind of colors to finish it off. Isn't that dreamy? So dreamy. So these ones are like eyelet. They're kind of like a ribbit, but they crochet up so great. It's like, oh, I don't have it here, but I'm using it for our June crochet along. And it has like a sparkle when you crochet it, and the texture is amazing. So those 2 are coming in with the giveaway. So 4 balls of acrylic yarn, Kenyan acrylic, 100 grams each, in the nice colors, and I think these are 50 grams each. Yeah, 50 grams each. Not that I could feel it, but I'm just remembering at the same time. 50 grams each of these ones. So half a kilo of yarn. There we are. With our bracelet. Oh, it's so pretty. And some other goodies. I'm starting just at the top. Let me move this over. I'm starting at the top of the basket, or the bucket. So no particular order. These ones, Amigos Motoki Crisps. They are banana crisps. Really, really good. Not sweet. They're salty. They're like a healthier potato chip. My kids love them. You can probably get them at other places, but these are the Kenyan ones. And the good old safari puffs. I saw this factory the other day. There was a big sign saying tropical heat with a big arrow. I was like, what? Like, could we go there? I'd totally go there. I would take you there with me, obviously. Anyway, these are like puffed up, I guess kind of like cheesies, but much more natural and like not so much like crazy coloring. And they have different flavors. So this is pizza flavor, so a little bit of tomato, a little bit of cheese. These are chili lemon. Oops, knocked it. Cheese. And the last one, tomato. This can go, ooh, back there. Other snacks, ooh. Ginger nut biscuits. So ginger nut they're like ginger snaps. Same thing, but here they're called ginger nut. No idea. Ginger snaps. I love ginger snaps. They're one of my favorite. I'll put those over there. And these ones too. So these are nice or nice biscuits. They're basically coconut sprinkled with sugar. They're so good with tea. So a pack of these also. And both of these companies are Kenyan. They're like been here for like ever. Like forever. I'm not sure which one was first. I think this one, Britannia. They even have in tins, like the old tins, like my mother-in-law's pantry is full of old Britannia tins. And I think you can still even buy them, like with cookies inside. So I did not get you a tin because they're huge, but cute boxes. Cookies. Where can we put cookies? Let's start this side. There we go. Yes, these ones, the Choco banana, same as last month's giveaway. They have glasses. Banana, dried banana, chocolate chips, cashew nuts, raisins, sultans, and vitamin C. What a cute little pack that is. I love the packaging, I love the branding, and it's a new company, so totally supporting them. Give that a go. And these delicious ones, cashew nuts, dry roasted, and macadamia nuts, dry roasted. No honey nuts in this one, I must have forgotten. Oh well. The summer giveaway. We'll be back to our regulars. Now we also have some delicious gum. Now this is not made in Kenya, but I've heard you can't get Freshen Up in the States anymore. So this is like our version of Freshen Up gum. We call it Spout, and it has like that little juicy center that kind of bursts in your mouth. So my kids love it. So I'm sending you cinnamon and peppermint, the pink and the blue. So I hope you enjoy those ones. Not kind of Kenyan, but it's a flashback if you remember Freshen Up. Those can go there. And moving on to tea. We have my regular, my staple, my everyday tea, which is Kericho Gold, plain old black tea, naturally grown, naturally produced. So very fresh, very delicious. 100% Kenyan tea, no blends, no fillers, no crumbs. Very good quality tea in tea bags with a string, so you don't even need a spoon. These are great. 25 tea bags in there, if I didn't say. And also same company, but this is the Herbal Ones Fruit Tea Assortment. So these are caffeine free, and they have the 4 different flavors inside. Oh, there they are. Apple and cinnamon, strawberry vanilla, peach, and ginger lemon. Ginger lemon is my favorite from in here. Like I have a box opened over there and there's no lemon ginger left. Like it's really, really good. It's just the right amount of lemon and just the right amount of ginger. Super, super good. So also getting that. And real Kenyan tea, how we do it. Loose tea. So this is black tea, Kenyan black tea. How much is in here? This is the small bag. We buy it in like kilo bags. Where's the weight on it? Oh, there it is. So 250 grams, so half a pound of black tea, loose black tea. So we put a pot of water on the stove, sprinkle some of this on top, and sprinkle some tea masala on top of that. We use our own, like, because there's a large Indian community here. And like Indian, I mean people from India, of Indian descent, the country. They make their own blends of this tea masala. So this is a store-bought one. My family has their own. Kavita's family has her own, if you watch The Wicked Whisk Nairobi. But this is a store-bought one. It's probably not as spicy as the homemade versions are, but you boil your water, well, you put the water in the pot, sprinkle some of this on, sprinkle some of that on, let it boil, put milk, put sugar, yum. Pour it through a sieve, into a teapot or into your cup, and you have delicious tea. So you are also getting that. What? A lot of tea. Awesome. Oops. There we go. Tea masala. And then a giveaway wouldn't be a giveaway. My giveaways wouldn't be my giveaways without good old Axion dish paste with corresponding sponge. So this paste is awesome. All of you who have watched my previous videos, minus May, because I totally spaced out on bringing it over to the camera for both the giveaway and the winner announcement. This is a great dish paste. I could spell it all day. It's so great. So it's like a hard paste. You can put a wet sponge on it and kind of scrub it so to get some of the paste onto your sponge, and then just kind of wipe your dishes and all the grease and everything else falls off of your dishes. Rinse it, you're finished. So it's a really hard paste. But you could just put some water on it or put a wet sponge and scrub some off if you're not doing dishes all the time. If you are doing dishes all the time, we sprinkle some water, like we leave a little puddle of water in the container so it softens up, and you can just like take a smear of the paste and do your dishes. So this is great. If you want to try it and you're in North America, you can buy it on Amazon.com. There is a Mexican version, which I'm sure is probably very similar, same brand and everything. I will put a link in the description box below. So that is also for the June winner. Put that out here. So what do you have to do to win the giveaway? Number one, be a subscriber. Hit the notification bell beside that. These giveaways are my way of saying thank you to my subscribers and my community members, which I am so thankful for having and getting to know. It is unbelievable the connection you have with people who enjoy the same thing you do. So this is to say thank you to one lucky winner this month. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. This is open from today up and until the end of June 30th. And on July 1st, I will be announcing the winner. I do a video and I'll say the winner is blah, 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 blah. So if you hit the notification bell, you'll get a notification of when I upload a new video and also when I announce the winner. So then you also need to leave a comment in the comment box below, and your comment has to answer our question. And the question this month is, what is your go-to stress relieving crochet project to make? What do you just grab your hook, grab a ball of yarn and just make it? Not like necessarily for a gift or for like an actual something to do, but what do you do to just like de-stress? Like, and what's your favorite stitch? Like, I like double crochet. I like half double too, actually. Half double might be my easiest for de-stressing, just because it's like so quick and so easy, and anything with that, it just kind of like clears my mind. But what is your mind clearing or easiest, most relaxing crochet stitch and crochet project? So leave that in the comments box below. Thank you so much. Good luck to everybody. So that's all you have to do. You only have to enter one time. You don't have to put a bunch of comments. You can if you want. That's totally fine also. But what I do after the end of the month or on the first day of July, I will put this URL into a random comment picker, and it will randomly pick a unique comment. So that means that only one person or one comment from each YouTube user will get a chance to win. So it kind of narrows it down, keeps it even. You can comment as much as you want, but one of your comments will be selected, or you'll just count as one comment, and then I announce the winner. So excited. So good luck and stay hooked.